GoMoWorld Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing GoMoWorld, an innovative eSIM service designed for travelers and digital nomads. Links to the product are in the description below. GoMoWorld is a global eSIM solution that offers flexible and cost-effective data plans for international travelers. It stands out with its simple setup process and broad coverage, making it an excellent choice for anyone who wants reliable mobile data while traveling abroad. The service supports over 100 countries, providing a seamless connection without the hassle of changing SIM cards every time you enter a new country. The biggest advantage of GoMoWorld is the ability to easily activate a data plan on your device without needing a physical SIM. All you need to do is scan a QR code, and the eSIM profile is instantly installed. This is perfect for tech-savvy travelers who are looking for a hassle-free, quick solution to stay connected during their trips. GoMoWorld offers a variety of plans that cater to different needs. Whether you're looking for short-term coverage for a weekend getaway or a more long-term plan for an extended stay, there are options that fit all kinds of travel. The pricing is competitive, and the data speeds are generally reliable, supporting activities like browsing, email, social media, and light streaming. However, as with all eSIM providers, the speed and coverage can sometimes vary depending on the country and local network conditions. GoMoWorld is aimed at people who value flexibility, convenience, and simplicity. It's ideal for travelers, digital nomads, and anyone who wants to avoid the trouble of buying and swapping physical SIM cards in every new location. The customer support is responsive, and the overall experience is user-friendly, making it a great option for those who are not overly tech-inclined. In conclusion, GoMoWorld is an excellent choice for international travelers looking for a seamless and affordable way to stay connected. If you're planning a trip and want an easy-to-use eSIM service, check the description for more details on GoMoWorld.